Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Cancer, this is for the weekend of the 30th of October and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. And this is what flipped out on its own, so I'm going to keep it aside. This is the Empress. This is too important a card to be put back in the deck, Cancer, so I'm going to keep it here and see why this Empress has shown up this early in the reading. So, Cancer, before we begin your reading, let's take a blessing from our angels and see what blessing we have for the weekend. So, my angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang, please. Blessing or an advice card for Cancer. Steady progress. Steady progress and the Empress, Cancer. Beautiful. I'm not going to talk about these cards till I open your cards and see why these two beautiful cards are here for you. So let's begin your reading, Cancer, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for showing up today. I'm very blessed to have you all as part of our family here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. This is going to be a mini read, Cancer. Just a small energy check-in to see how you guys are doing. And the longer readings are in progress. They will start getting uploaded, I think, from the 1st to 2nd of November. And in case any of you need a personal reading, my schedule is now open. You can reach me at my email in the description box below. So Cancer, let's begin. The first card I have for you here, Cancer, is the Seven of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Devil. Has somebody been keeping you a bit confused here, Cancer? Ouch. Okay, so that's a lot of stress that you've been under, Cancer. It's no wonder you're making steady progress after this betrayal that you feel that has been done to you, and you are now coming back to your power, it seems. Yes, there's been somebody who's been keeping you rather confused, not giving you any straight answer, maybe keeping you under illusion, saying something, meaning something else, keeping you in a very, very confused state of mind, Cancer. And yes, maybe not even kind of communicating with you properly here, right? The Eight of Wands is in reverse, but so is the World card, which means this chapter hasn't really ended, but you are not in the best state of mind when you concerning this person. You feel rather, I mean, at least you have been feeling rather sad, seeming things are lost, you don't find any stability in your life with this person. Maybe this is a lot of hot air this person creates and creates illusions, keeps you confused, and it's made you feel rather depressed and sad and lot of tension here. My God, Cancer, look at this, look at this, look at this. Cancer, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher. I could be picking up on your cross watcher's energy as well, right? But this is the kind of stress and tension that has come from this relationship, all because of this magician who's been maybe trying to create illusions and confusion in your life. Yes, you feel left out in the cold, abandoned, sad, depressed, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, and not knowing which way to go, and wanting to release now some very toxic energy from your life. What's this devil spirit in the reverse? Devil in reverse. You either made a decision, Cancer, or you're making a decision regarding this King of Cups, who is a emotionally manipulative person in your life. This person brings in nothing but conflict, never speaks properly, hides their emotions, never gives you any clarity in any situation. I think you're kind of making some kind of decision to drop this person, removing this toxic energy from your life and bringing an end to all this suffering, right? This person has actually made you that angry that you picked up your sword now and you are no longer kind of wanting to deal with the situation anymore. You have been under a lot of stress and feeling feeling lack mentality here. It's like nothing is working out. There's no justice in this situation. Not getting my fair due, and maybe you are now turning your back to the situation after being. I see you're still very stressed out, not feeling like you've got victory. You feel almost like you've been humiliated or embarrassed, and you'd rather be by yourself and alone than be dealing with a person like this. Cancer, you are making a wise decision, I would say, seeing these cards on to dropping this situation altogether, not making you happy at all. This person is not making you happy at all. What you were wishing for was somebody to bring in stability to your life, somebody, or you may be now seeing, maybe in the future I should now find somebody who can bring stability to my life. But whatever this person has done, this magician with the King of Cups in reverse, has only brought you misery and unhappiness till now. And you are on your way to releasing this. Yeah, this person has gone a wrong direction here. This person has gone a wrong direction here. Not, but they keep wanting to come back, it seems. They keep coming back with promises to say, hey, now I'm going to mature up and I'm sorry and take me back. And each time this happens, it puts you back into the self-imposed prison and you don't know what to do, right? Let's see what's happening on your weekend. Four of Wands, Death in reverse, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. Yes, this could be somebody in your home. I think your stability is at stake here. So you are not being able to make a decision here, Cancer. From what I see, somebody is still holding on very tight to you. They are not willing to let you go. This card has come out, I don't know how many times now, this stress card. And there is a bit of stress and tension in the family situation right now. There are decisions to be made here. You feel things are not working out well, but there is somebody here who's still holding on very tight. They have a fear of change, so they are not going to let you go easy. It seems they are. This is somebody you've known for a long time. This is somebody from your past. I think Cancer, who is not the wisest of the wise, but is impossible to let go of. Yes, you want to sneak away from this person. You're really trying, aren't you? You really want to get over this stress and tension, but this person is still showing up right now as the King of Wands, a troublemaker who who promises the earth. Yes, they have big plans, they have big ideas, they have big promises to make about all the beautiful things that they want to do, but these are all hot promises. They end up doing nothing, right? They all fall flat. This person actually comes across as very immature. So this weekend also I see you trying to escape this situation, but not really being able to, since there is a little fear of change and you really can't see the path ahead of you. But what spirit is saying, Cancer, you are in a very strong position here. Start making small and steady progress towards inching your way out. You have to find your own strength here. The longer you're going to stay in this stressful energy, the longer you're going to stay here, and it's not good for your health, Cancer, right? So Spirit says we understand that you are tied to this person, or maybe the part of your family or something, but you can make slow and steady progress to kind of see what other options you have. Okay, by keeping your eyes closed and not seeing that there is a clear path in front of you, but you're so stressed out with this magician's illusions all the time that you're not being able to see anything ahead of you. But Spirit is saying there are a lot of options in front of you, Cancer. Just open your eyes and start making some steady progress towards something new for your life, which can put you in the position of power here. Okay, so baby steps. If you, in case, I mean, if you can't walk away, if you can't make this decision to totally walk away, Cancer, keep strong here. Okay, don't succumb to this person's illusions or their bad behavior or anything like that. you have to go within, and you have to know how you can drop the situation altogether. Take back control of your life, Cancer. If you feel a situation is not giving you an equal give and take, if the scale is not balanced, it's up and down, um, and yet you're having trouble, I think you're still holding on. You have to, if you are going through this of not having trouble of completely cutting this person off, Cancer, there is a fear of change. I see that this card has come out twice. Start working on your security, stability for the future. Okay? Step by step by step. Start making steady progress, and sooner than later you will find a way out. Okay? So don't just sit here with your eyes closed forever. Know that you are being manipulated here. And the sooner you start making an effort to end this chapter altogether, the better. If you can't do it all by itself, be very discerning, open your eyes, pick up your sword, and start making steps to secure yourself, secure your future. Okay? That's all I have for you, Cancer. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.